Hey everyone, it's Tico. So this is part B of my first video, I guess you would say. I'm not going to edit or splice them together. My phone just doesn't have a lot of storage. So it cut out right when I was finishing consulting the tarot. And the last part of this I wanted to talk about, there's one more, is entanglement, which is something I really believe in and keeping my perception and use when doing a tarot reading, which is to say, I'm just going to go ahead and read what I have written down here. In quantum theory, certain physical systems can become entangled, meaning that their states are directly related to the state of another object somewhere else. When one object is measured and the Schrodinger wave function collapses into a single state, the other object collapses into its corresponding state, no matter how far away the objects are, i.e. non-locality. I do cite some physics research there where it says problem has been analyzed in depth without resolution. But here's what authors tend to agree on. A description of non-local connections, that they link events at separate locations without known fields or matter. They do not diminish with distance. 1,000,000 miles is the same as an inch. And they appear to act with speed greater than light. Now, aside from the fact that, entanglement is fascinating with quantum computing and where we're heading in that direction, that's how I look at doing tarot readings. People want to say, like, whatever esoteric personal belief systems you have, if you want to examine the cards as personal psychology, if you want to examine them as like spirits or deities, magic, etc. Some people just use them for ritual magic only. I really see that entanglement aspect, that kind of, and there's been tons of research through the SRI and just like fascinating, phenomenon that humans are way more capable psychically, mentally, energetically than we've been taught and than we really think we are, for whatever reasons. And so kind of through that process of entanglement, let's say that's why I'm able to maybe do a distance reading for someone and have it be just as equally as effective or come up resonating the same as if they were sitting right here, right? Or how we're able to ask a question of something into the future or into the past, to be able to tap into those energies. Some process in our mind is literally entangling this deck, which is almost like a technology. That's how I always look at tarot. Tarot is a technology to me because it's all these systems, these wheels and these gears running, right? Metaphorically, symbolically, right? And so through that whole process, it entangles literally into a space of non-locality, and then we're able to, as readers, literally just translate or decipher what information is coming up out of this process of entanglement. So that's how I look at approaching a tarot reading. The next video lesson is going to be focusing on the intuitive part of a tarot reading, and then we'll cover spreads, and then we'll get into the correspondence system. So there you go, folks. Blessings.